everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Marybeth Angelelli. Just wanted to show you I received another $600 payment yesterday. Had another new premium level customer come on board. As you can see, there's my name, there's the time and date stamp, and there is the $600 right there. I'm going to bring you now inside of our community to show you how many members, by just following a simple, proven step-by-step process, once you get access to our blueprint and training for the digital products, are absolutely winning with the system. The system's been around now since March of 2021. It is still very much alive, still going strong. So without further ado, allow me to bring you inside of our school community, okay, so that you can see what's possible as soon as you get started. This is the community right here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click on wins. And as you can see, we are an ever-growing community worldwide, over 9,600 members right here. These are recent results that we post up so you can see what is possible with the system. Look at this. Ding, $300 today. Woke up to another customer. $300 today. $950 while on vacation with my family. $750 for today so far. Okay. $600 ding on my live. $300. First sale from South Africa. I'm ready for the $900 upgrade. Okay. There we go. We're actually going to be introducing 3 new products here at the end of the week. Friday, March 1st, we're going to be having a wonderful webinar. I'm going to go ahead and put that information below, and I'd love for you to jump on and attend if you're able to. It's going to be happening at 1 p.m. Eastern this coming Friday, March the 1st. And you can go ahead and click on the link in the description to get registered. Okay? Like $600. As I get the kiddos off to bed. Another $600 on my live this morning. Look, $150 sale while driving the kids to school. $600 last night. My first ding. So you can see, folks, we have a wonderful community. We have a proven system. There's so many members that are plugging in, following the step-by-step training, and getting regular, consistent, daily pay results. Okay, look, $600, my first $600 sale. There was my post from yesterday, 17 hours ago. Woke up to another $600 this morning. Look, $600 ding, $150 while working my full-time job. Look at this, $150 ding. I'll just go through one more sheet real quick. Okay, we're getting followers, and that's important. Okay, $1,800 in less than 24 hours. $6,300 in 2 weeks. Another $600 ding. This member had another $1,200 day. This member had a $620 day. Look, a $900 day by this member. Another $900 day. Okay. $600 ding. First sales. 2 $300 dings. An $800 day. $600 came in for this member. Look, this member made their first sale today. Back-to-back $600 days. This member had $300 come in right before 10 a.m. in the morning. First digital product sold by this member. This member, we're celebrating first sale. You know, we all start somewhere, folks, and we celebrate our wins irregardless of how small or large they are. But this is truly a winning product inside of a winning community, folks. Okay, look, third $1,200 day this week. $600 ding on a brand new TikTok account. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you to, uplift, motivate, inspire you just what is possible when you put your mind to it and take action and get started. Now, this is what's making this all possible. Inside of our classroom, above and beyond the 4 digital products, we have additional supplemental training, resources, lots of value, just tons of value. And you're going to get access to this community. You'll get a special invite when you join. This is a free community, okay? And the training inside the value, the content, it literally is worth thousands of dollars. It really is. Everything is outlined very simplistically. It's very beginner friendly. Step-by-step instructions as well as video tutorials. So this is your perfect earn while you learn business model. And it's all step-by-step video tutorials. I'll just show you real quickly what it looks like. Okay, very easy to plug into, very user friendly. You don't have to have, there's no tech involved. You don't have to have any special skills, no previous education, training, expertise, none of that, folks. We can take you from brand new, a complete newbie from scratch, no following, no social media presence, and teach you everything you need to know to be up and running and successful. Okay? You just have to bring the willingness. You have to be teachable and coachable. Okay? And stay grounded, show up every single day, plug in, remain committed and consistent. So this is your first 14 days. This is laying down the groundwork, the foundation. As soon as you get started, this is going to set you up and position you for the best results possible so that you can have $600 days consistently all week long as you build and grow this business. This is the potential that exists, okay? So it's all inside the classroom. That's how we're doing it. We're following the step-by-step training inside of the classroom. We're currently in the midst of a wonderful 90-day run. Okay, and we're actually going to, like I said, be adding 3 new products this coming Friday, March 1st, kicking off a webinar at 1 p.m. Eastern, and it's going to be centered around building a legacy. Okay, but look at this, our 90-day sprint, we give you content, we give you training every single day so you have a direction. And all you have to do is just plug in and follow. Again, if you're teachable, if you're coachable, you can do this. Anybody and everybody can win here. This is a winning community. We're already going to be starting day 59, almost 2 months into this 90-day sprint. Okay, so here we go, folks. This is what's possible. We have additional supplemental TikTok training right here. How to set up your business on autopilot. This is evolving right around automations. So what we do is we share and we advertise our website using free traffic. We have different options available, from everything from copy, paste, post ads on high traffic free websites to picking a social media platform and getting started. And then you just follow the training. You get your system set up. This is going to be your funnel. We call it our freedom funnel because it works for us on automations. We just share and advertise the website, and then we bring people into the website. They willingly enter their email address. We take them on a journey. The journey is simple. It's evolving around know, like, and trust. And we're building that know, like, and trust within our automations, within our follow-ups. And when people are ready to buy, they purchase from us. And then we wake up to these wonderful, commission notifications. And these commissions can come in all hours of the day and night. You know why? Because our automations are out there working for us 24/7, 365. And the internet, as you know, does not sleep. Okay, so 6 simple steps. Step 1, you get your domain. You just follow this exactly, okay? In 6 simple steps, you can have your freedom funnel up and running for you. Here's additional helpful videos and PDFs to help you along getting set up. Again, it's very, very simple. All right, we have this training right here, which is really awesome. 6 figures in 6 months. Okay, we have a multitude of free resources within the digital products. How to discover your perfect customer. This is just absolutely huge because once you, grasp this, folks, you can create your content around your perfect customer. Your content will be relatable. It's going to resonate with your customers, and it's going to get them to buy from you, okay? We teach you how to do this using attraction marketing. This is a rejection-free business model, and we don't have to chase anybody. We're not out there bugging our family, bugging our friends. We're not sliding into people's DMs. We do a very simple but powerful attraction marketing strategies, okay? All operating under a rejection-free business model. It's wonderful. It really is. And, you can do talking videos. You can also build using faceless. We show you how to build a faceless brand, okay? So we have lots of different options for you. So whatever, you like, whatever you're comfortable with, folks, we have a game plan for you to plug in and follow. The 90-day ramp-up challenge, Monday mentoring and tech Zooms. Here's all the replays. Everything is recorded. We have, webinars all week long. And this is all the replays of our sprint or 90-day sprint from last year, the end of last year. So everything's packed here, folks, jam-packed with tons of value, tons of content, literally worth thousands, okay? So I just wanted to bring you inside of this amazing community to show you what you're going to get above and beyond the digital products. And then we're going to be launching 3 brand new digital products. This is going to open up many more doors for you in 2024. So if you're seeking more in 2024, stay tuned. Try to jump on this webinar that we're hosting. We're going to kick off the new month, March, okay? It's going to be like March Madness, 1 p.m. Eastern Friday. The link is going to be below. Right now, all I need you to do is head over to my website, enter your email, and you'll be able to come inside and start reviewing everything. This is what the Freedom Funnel looks like, okay? So you just want to go to dailypaywithmarybeth.com. You may need to type it into your browser and just enter your email and then click yes, send me the blueprint. You'll be looking for your first email follow-up from me, which is going to read in the subject line, here is your blueprint. So keep a watchful eye for the email with the subject line, here is your blueprint. You'll find my contact details, which I'm also going to list below, okay? So I'm going to put the link to my website below, my personal cell below, and the link to get registered for our March 1st 1 p.m. Eastern webinar, where we're going to be sharing all of this wonderful information with you, this amazing opportunity. We're going to be talking about the products, the new products. 3 new ones are being added very, very soon to the existing 4 done-for-you products, and it's just going to be an amazing year, folks. I'd love nothing more than to invite you inside so that you can become part of this, okay? So if you like what you hear and see, let's get you going. Let's get you going today. The sooner the better, folks, because the sooner you take action, the sooner your life is going to change for the better, and the sooner you're going to be in a wonderful position where you can start waking up to $600 paydays or more in 2024. You know what to do next, and I want to welcome you in advance to the team. Hope to see you soon on the winning side of this amazing, amazing opportunity. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye.